Papa, who be this person? Where they call?
Who be you I go dey ask? Now you are telling me you lock gates now and she dey come out.
You say I no look at me. Wait, who be Aboma be this?
Aboma? Who be Aboma?
That nurse, now we open clinics for village square.
I don't know, Amo.
What is to do with it? Not you.
Ah!
Hello.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir. I'm sorry I barged into your house. While I was passing, your gate was open, so I thought someone was in.
Okay, no wala. No
Yes,
wala. So
my name is Aboma. Yes, I live at the neighboring village, but I have a shop at the village square. Yes, I go from house to house checking people's blood pressure and applying regulatory measures on them.
okay, you want to check my BP?
Exactly.
My papa no get BP.
How you know now? Me, I don't know now. Make she check so we go know.
You mustn't wait for him to have a BP before checking.
Exactly.
Yes, you check it. It's the regular something. Yes.
Okay now. So me run now.
Yes, sure. Okay, you have to sit. Let's stay there. Here is okay.
Okay. Hey. You go fit check her own.
She's just a child anyway.
Nah, they go maybe they monitor her from this.
It's not necessary for now. Let's focus on you first.
Oh, voilà.
I'm just trying to check.
Where you go put this in? So what's my BP the same?
It's normal. Yes. It's normal, but don't worry. I'll be coming from time to time to check. It's normal for now, but you cannot say for tomorrow.
No wala. No wala. So how much I go pay you?
No. Checking of BP is free.
Are you serious?
Sure.
Yes, okay sir. Now. Thank you, Thank you very much.
Okay.
I better let me shine that shoe, Now the one where I go use go out. You know the shoe I talk about now.
Auntie Nurse.
What is it, little girl?
Hey. I see the way they look my papa.
When? How?
Hey. I see the way they look my papa. They enter your eyes. Close them, oh. Close them because you no go walk. Close them.
What are you talking about? Look at this little girl. What do you know?
I know plenty things wey even pass you. I know things wey pass you well. Go ask those girls, all those girls that say they feel come close to my papa. Go ask them how their body be now. Close them now. Wait and see there because you no go like yourself.
You shut up your mouth. Shut up and go and wash plate for your father.
I better come out for our house.
Yeah. If I give you back now.
No, say that. Come on, they go.
Boss bombe, idiot.
Now so una go. Una go talk so na one trick injection. Una go open person bomb on the watching yash.
Hey.
This I don't know this one that they do.
You are obviously not a child.
Come on here. No. Papa, they come. Come on here.
You don't shine the shoe, finish.
I don't shine now. Papa, wait, where did you get them?
My people, you are welcome once again.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Highly welcome. No.
Welcome, my in-laws.
Right away. Eh?
Welcome. Mama?
The time is now. The time to make us proud. The time is now.
Time is now to make you proud.
Yes.
How?
Your suitors are here.
Suitors?
Yes.
Which suitors?
That man I told you asking for your hand in marriage. He's here now with his people.
Mama, are you serious? Because I thought you were actually joking that time.
What do you mean? If that is a joke, put an end to it. What do you mean by that? They are here. I told them you accepted. That's why they are here.
Who is here? Okay, Saluma.
The man and his people.
Which man? Mama, I don't understand it. Biko, Mama. I am not interested.
You're not
Biko, I'm not interested.
Leave whatever you're doing now, and come for the introduction. They are waiting.
I am not interested, Mama. I am not interested.
What do you mean by that? Are you mad?
God forbid, Mama. God forbid. Ogini. Okay, Salu. Mabiko, Biko. I am not interested in this your marriage. This your arranged marriage. I am not interested. Okay, Salu. Biko.
Look, Chioma. I beg of you. There is no way I will go back there and tell them no. I already told them that you agreed. That's why they are here. And I tell you, do you know that man has assets, landed properties, both in the village and in the city.
Mama,
I
never knew you are now a surveyor. You just go survey, you can want land and city. You must everything. Mama, all you got man no abi, yet aware. I'm interested.
Then you will die with me. I will die for you, or you will die with me here and now. Chioma, you must not put me to shame. You will take this disgrace away. Enough is enough. What is wrong with you? Look out at Chalugo or someone like you. What is wrong with you?
Mama, I am not interested. Biko.
Because it's a big shame you're putting in my face. You know what it means?
Going
out there.
Ngozi.
You're right to marry.
Mama, will marry my daughter.
Yes. She's here. Actually, my daughter.
Sir?
These people came from a very far place, Amuku, to seek for your hand in marriage. Do you accept Benjamin's proposal? Please tell us, because when we eat all this in the front, we will not refund it all. So tell us, please.
Uncle, I do not accept. I am not interested, sir.
What, Chioma?
Mama, please. Don't even force these things. Please. Uncle, like I said, I am not interested. Please, sirs.
Excuse me.
Please, my dears. Calm down. Calm down. Everything is there. I'll handle it,
Come on, is that too much? Okay, sir. I'll marry at my own time. It's nobody's business. I will marry when I want to marry. Uncle, you can't force me to marry somebody. See his nose. It is pressed nose. Very ugly somebody. Okay, sir. What do you?
Mama, I thought you said she agreed. So what's going on now?
That's why I said calm down. Calm down. Everything will be okay. Just calm down. Give me some minutes.
I've never been embarrassed like this all my life. Benjamin, what is really going on here? Please, calm down. I believe everything will be sorted out. Everything will work out fine. Please. Okay.
Calm down, you say?
Yes. Please.
Choma, what's the meaning of that show of shame you displayed out there? Do you know what you've just done? Eh?
Mama, it is you who just displayed a total show of shame, not me. Because can't you go do please? Where is it done? Okay, Sialu, you just go and arrange a man for me to marry without my consent. Is that to do with? I don't get it. Okay, Sialu.
Will you shut up? I said, will you shut up? Are you mad? I'm talking. You're watching this useless. Come on, go back in there and attend to them. Do you want to end up in this house with me? Eh?
God forbid.
You should be in your husband's house.
Mama.
Yes.
Biko. I don't want to have issues with you. I will marry at my own time. You will not force me to do what I do not want to do. It is my choice. Oginalo, what is this?
Chioma, you must marry that man. I've given my word. That's why they are there. Let's go back in there. Stop this shame.
Mama, you give them your words, right?
Yes.
Not mine. I am not interested. You're a widow. Go and marry the boy. They're lawyer.
Look at you. You want to end up in this house.
God forbid. It's not my portion.
At your age. Look at how beautiful you are and everything. You have passed the age of Onyemoro. Who born you? You are now in Onyenano, who is your husband. Leave me alone. You will come at first time. What is this? Too much. This shame is too much. Can you imagine? What is wrong with you?
Mama, leave me alone. No.
This is the 6th suitor you are rejecting. Emerigeme, are you okay? The 6th suitor. Look at me. 6. Emerigeme, what is wrong with you? Go! Look at me here. Shame! Just bringing shame. Hi! How do I face these people for crying out loud? Please, my in-laws, I'm sorry for the embarrassment. I'm truly sorry for the embarrassment.
Don't call us your in-laws. Your daughter here has already disrespected us. Benjamin, don't you ever bring me back here again. What are we waiting for? Let's leave.
Hey, my in-laws, calm down, man. Everything is under control. Just calm down.
Let us go. Let us go.
Let's leave.
This is the 6th time your daughter has been rejecting suitors. The father, who is my brother, will turn in his grave. I'm not happy. I'm going.
Nah, Biko, please talk to her. She's also your daughter. Hey!
Give me one stupid idiot in my mind because I don't understand. Give me an alcohol. Marry. Must you marry? Must I even marry? Must I marry? Is it by force to marry? What nonsense is all this nonsense?
Chinwa. Hey. Ogini. This you're working like an angry married village wife. Or Kefeme.
It's my mother. That woman again. That woman.
What happened to her? I hope she's okay.
She's okay.
Thank God.
Can you imagine? That woman is forcing me to marry somebody I don't even know. From anywhere.
How?
Nem. How? I will answer you.
Okay.
I was at the backyard washing. Now swap wa jejeli. One yaputa. Adamo, your suitors are here. Nemo, your suitors are here. How? From where? Someone I don't even know. And you're laughing.
Wait. I won't laugh again. Okay, fine. Do you mean what you're just telling me right now?
I am not joking. They brought drinks, so manya
Like
and
you're
cola.
serious?
Ogonibia. They brought you can imagine what nonsense.
And what did you tell them?
What am I supposed to tell them?
What did you say? Okay, what did you
And
say?
you're laughing.
So,
What were you expecting?
I'm
I'm a mongo. No, of course I declined. Amamia, Mr. Man, have I met you before? No. Do you know me? No. Okay, Salo.
But this is really unbelievable. Manadia, you know you have passed the age. What you need to go and marry John.
You are into the age. Abudia. No, you are mad. You don't have sense. See your wife's hair. But you menopause. You are mad. You don't want to marry?
Yeah, where were you even going to?
It's your house, so
My house and you are about passing it.
So
My baby, oh, don't let it.
Papa,
Oh, go so.
food done ready.
Ah.
Oh no, chop, no, chop.
They come. Hey, Okoso,
Papa,
what's it with this?
the food wey we go chop.
I don't see that food now, but the thing too plenty now. Look, the only me and you go chop this one.
Papa, you know say this soup now don stay for this house for 4 days. And you know say as e fresh like this now, you supposed to dey eat any food wey fresh.
Okoso, you go chop today, remain the one where you go chop tomorrow. That's so life be.
Leave tomorrow. Tomorrow go find something wey go chop.
You know they pity me, oh. I swear. Me wey wan make my stomach enter. You see they cook this type food.
His smiles, his height, his tattoo. Oh, gee, I love him so much. Oh, I'm me see like I don't understand.
No, Reba, sit down here. Are you okay? What is wrong with you?
Love.
Come on, shut up. Can't you get hold of yourself? What is it?
Chi, you will not understand.
Understand what?
Chi, I love Onoka so much. He's the air I breathe.
Hey!
He possesses all the qualities I need in a man.
Hey!
You know what? You know what? I don't mind if he takes me as his wife and make me
a housewife permanently. As in, I'll just be in the house cooking for him, massaging his body, doing everything.
Of course, I'm making now.
It's so good.
Hey! But you know, I need to ask you a question. A very sincere question. How can you be lusting over a man that does not know that you exist? A man that, of course, how? I want to understand. Because I am trying to put myself in your shoes. Can I actually be in that shoes? Nah, I cannot be in that shoe. It's not possible. Because I cannot lust over a man that barely knows me or that... a man I don't even know.
Calm down. I know why you're sounding like this. You can't even wear my shoe because shoe the love. You know, you've not been in love before. That is why you're sounding like this. Chi, if you've been in love, you will know why I've been lamenting since. You will know why I'm glowing. Either for my skin.
I'm afia.
Either for my skin.
Oh,
Aqua love.
Afia. Hey!
Hell, love a woman. Oh, jeez.
Ikadindo.
Mban. Very soon, Mazabazi, Mrs. Onoka to be.
Kita.
Mrs.
No. Don't transfer to me.
I shouldn't touch you. No. Hands of love.
Hold it.
Don't
worry. Eat that paper. Stay here. Don't touch me.
I'm touch her myself. Mrs. Onoka to be.
To be. Obviously, Mrs. Onoka to be.
Okay, Choka, Mrs. Onoka already.
In your father's house already. Come.
Hey.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, no. How your side now?
Fine, sir.
See how she dey glow.
You too. You're not looking bad. Sir, I came to check your BP.
Again? I just say you come yesterday, come check BP. Why you come again today? Every day they do BP.
Listen, little girl. You see, BP is what we check regularly. Yes.
So now for only this compound they check BP. We dey check BP for other compound. Maybe you come yesterday checking BP. No be talk about mouth stay in BP dey normal.
Okay, so relax now. Nah, job she dey do now. Profession.
Exactly.
If you even want search, if you check your own after you check my own.
Don't check my own. I dey normal. What I dey think? I be say I be you. Where they think about girls wey you go marry from all those girls wey dey come.
Okay, so what's the talk? Which girls are you think of? You dey my head? No vex me. Sorry, you're nurse. You won't run am now. You won't check this thing.
Yes, but since you're eating, I'll just wait over there. Once you are done, meet me there.
Okay, now.
Thank you. I'll be waiting. Yes.
Okay, now.
Where you go?
I go check BP.
Yeah. They go check BP. So you don't finish the food before you go check BP.
I dey come. The chop, I dey come.
Wow.
No.
Let's start.
Which one you want to use? This one?
No, this one.
That last time, okay.
I think this one is kind of... Yeah, let's just use this one.
You want to use this one?
Yes.
Don't go.
Yes, I'm trying. It's kind of... One is big, but...
Nah, exercise where they do.
Alright.
You know, I've been wondering my stomach enter.
Okay.
You don't check them?
It's not showing there. Let me check the other side.
This hand no good.
Let's just check it too. You know.
Nurse, thank you, eh?
Right.
I really appreciate this thing what you do for me. Poor man go die.
Okay. Let's be watching together. Can you see me? Can you see that?
I don't know what they look at.
Just
number they see.
Okay. Your BP is a little bit above normal.
Huh?
Yes, it's above normal. Let me just check your eyes.
Which one you check now?
I'm trying to check your temperature, but I see that it's normal. You know, when you're checking BP, you have to check temperature as well.
No wala.
So,
no wala.
Your BP is above normal. I don't know. Did you stress yourself?
I know to stress myself on. Just my exercise what I do normally. What I do.
Maybe that's why. You know what? I'll be coming to check you from time to time. Just let me know if you feel any abnormality, okay?
You're a nice person.
Okay. Take care of yourself.
Thank you.
I'll be on my way now.
No wala, I might walk you know. No wala. But this manageable way you're talking now.
You just have to cut down the way you stress yourself. It's not good for you.
No wala. Take care. Bye-bye. So, what's up with the food now?
You don't finish.
What's you mean don't finish? You don't finish now? What's up with chop now?
To be like you, I say make you come chop before you go check BP. You say you want to go check BP. The food don't finish now.
So now why you finish everything? How you even finish this food? This plenty food now you chop and finish.
But the food don't finish. You say you want to go check BP. Go meet am. She fit cook for you. She fit even check your belly, make you know whether you dey hungry. Whether you need food, cause
which kind of talk with that?
She go meet am. I don't know why you get mind. Stand up for where you dey chop. Go meet person wey dey check BP. Make she check your BP. Make she check your belly whether you want chop food now.
Ogoso.
This girl, what was Agoma doing in Unoka's house? I hope it is not what I am thinking. No, it can't be. Unoka can never stoop so low to that classless village local nurse. See the way she's walking. Look at her. Stupid local village nurse, paracetamol nurse. Look at her. See, nonsense.
Baby.
Whoa! Emike, what is it now?
Have fun now. I don't miss you, baby. I went to your house, but you weren't there.
What is it? Emike, what is it?
What kind of question is this now, babe?
You went to my house and I was not there. Is that why you are following me up and down? Look, the fact that we're dating does not mean the entire village should know.
Ulo, I don't understand you again. What do you mean by the entire village shouldn't know? Ulam, are you hiding me?
You.
Meanwhile, you look troubled. Are you okay?
I should ask you. You look troubled. Are you okay? Every time you be following me up and down with your faded polo. Look at you. Look at your big palm. You'll be following me up and down. You don't have small class. Go and work on yourself. Leave me alone.
Uloma. Hi, class.
Mama told me what happened here in the house today. And I want to ask, what was the meaning of that?
Hi. Asonya? Meaning of what?
Choma, you rejected the man that came to ask for your hand in marriage. Why? No, tell me, why? Choma, why do you always want to drag the name of this family to the mud? This is the 6th time you're doing this thing. Are you not old enough to be in your husband's house?
Hey, Choma itagaja. Ingekwa, you. Really? Is something wrong with you? Are you mad? You're not yellow. This your Bobby, is it deceiving you? As a one Ibiana. You don't have respect anymore. Are you crazy?
Choma, let me tell you. This is madness. Absolute madness. You keep rejecting all the suitors that come here to ask for your hand in marriage. I don't understand. Wait, what is the plan?
And what is your business? How is it your business? Are you mad? Are you stupid? Who are you? Are you mad? Bia? You are very, very stupid. You are mad. And besides, this marriage, what is it? Like this part of the world, what is all this nonsense about marriage everywhere? Again, is marriage an achievement? Is it? Shut up.
Yes, marriage is an achievement, if you don't know it. The pride of every woman is her husband.
Yes.
Mama, that pride, I do not want it. Yeah, when I want it, I will go and get it. What is it? Ogini, what is madness for? For now, two of you could excuse me, please.
And where are you going to? Mama is talking to you and you want to walk away from her?
Sir? You say? Yeah. Onyeka, what the car not up with as not up, it's not you are mad. I go change up for you. You get change again now. Be careful. Be very careful.
Chioma, don't make me regret giving birth to you. If I lay a curse on you, oh, all your life. Kanaga,
Mama.
Kanaga.
Mama, you better go and talk to your daughter.
Uloma. Nay. Uloma, what is your problem
Mimi,
now?
leave me alone. Mimi, what is it?
What have I done to you? What is it?
What is it? Why are you following me? In fact, listen. I don't want this relationship again. Eminike, you're too boring. You're not making this relationship sweet. You don't do that sweet things in relationship.
No.
In fact, I call it quit.
This is a joke to you, right?
Do I look like I'm joking? Even God knows I am not joking, Eminike. What is it now? I call it a quit. No. You're following me up and down, Are you aeroplane turner? Aeroplane turner, turner, aeroplane turner. I don't want again. Leave me alone. Can't look for someone else.
Ulo. Did she just say that to me? I love you. I don't keep pressing.
Seriously, you need a massage therapist to relax your muscle.
When I did Lagos, I did see that kind of thing now. Since I can enter this village, I see that kind of thing now.
Really?
Yeah.
What am I doing then? It's part of my profession. I'm a masseur.
Are you serious?
Yes.
You do everything with that now?
Of course. Of course. I'm a nurse, but I'm blessed with different talents. I can actually help you and be massaging your muscles, relaxing your body, you know, those kind of things. I'm very good with that. Yes.
No.
Really?
Now, go.
All right.
Okay, now.
I'll see you later. Okay.
I know.
Oh my god, oh my god. He's so handsome. I can't wait to massage him.
See what I tell you? No, Shem, like this stupid girl tell you. Every time she goes to run around my papa, they run around my papa. She not gonna let my papa rest. I hate and way. I even need that girl. Now she give me hot injection when my mama carry me go in chemist. The day I see Bino, she don't know anything. Oh, what do we do? Go make I bring out my thinking machine.
Okoso don't sue and say,
I get plan.
her papa no go marry oh. This girl labeled in Nagano. Okoso don't sue and say, her papa no go marry oh. This girl labeled in Nagano. Kwambosi nke mere juoyi Okoso. 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 Okoso don't sue and say, her papa no go marry oh. This girl labeled in Nagano.
Please, would you help me talk to her? I don't know what is wrong with her. She can't just end our relationship just like that.
You know, I'm trying to understand all you just said. You're sounding serious, right?
I'm serious now.
Ha! It's really strange. Alright. I want to know, did you guys have a quarrel or fight at any point in time?
We did not.
Just like that?
Look, as a matter of fact, that day I was heading to her house when I ran into her beside Noka's house. I noticed she had a mood swing, and then when I tried to find out what the problem was, boom! She ended our relationship just like that. Odemma.
This is really strange, I must confess. Me, I strongly believe that something is wrong somewhere.
Something like what?
No problem. Don't worry, just take a chill pill. I'll try and see her and try and find out what's going on.
Please.
Because this is really strange. I don't know what to say.
Help me talk to her.
It's okay.
I really love Uloma. Please.
I know. Now, who doesn't know that? Her. Who doesn't know that? Everybody knows that you love Uloma. You've been there for her from day one. We all know that. Don't worry. I'll talk to her. Okay. Don't worry. That was it. I'll talk to her. Unoka's house. Yeah.
Mommy, I don't like that girl. I don't just like her.
Why you don't like her? What she should do? She do you something?
I thought you said she do me anything before. I don't just like him.
I go hate person when no do anything, I better somebody. I'm telling you. Like a woman go make sense, maybe just sleep for house. That's why you know say everything don't set.
Which house? No be for this house, so God forbid. No be for this house. No go marry that stupid nurse. So.
I don't talk say I won't marry her now. I know be what I talk, you know. But even if I marry herself, won't you be happy for your papa say marry person way, they caring and hardworking for this country, woman
Abeg, forget that. Which kind hardworking? Which kind hardworking? Make I tell you now, those kind people, now them be worst wife when you go put for house. They go just the form, they pretend say they be good people. When you put them for house, you go see say they go chop your head finish.
Okay, I don't hear. Go kitchen, check if food remain, we'll chop.
If I don't see this, your eyes no clear.
You say anything? Oh, go so. Go sleep outside, bring the food first.
Okoso, that plan where I give you work waiting. No work anything. My pa even talk say that girl, she even good as housewife. Ha! Housewife! Okoso, the way you dey talk, like say your papa go marry second wife. You no go even try am. I mean dey tell you, no go try am. As far as say me wey be Okoso dey for this house, my papa no go try am. I dey tell you. They say no go try, you go show for your eye. They go marry. You no go do am. Don't forget me. You no go do am. I no go even allow am. You no go try. When I dey there, dey talk. See am. See how she will walk. I don't know why in the baby see am. I don't know why this girl they come close to my papa. Maybe say my papa fine. Maybe say my papa get money. Although he fine, but he no get money.
How you doing now?
Get car.
Let's say I do small physical work.
Are you ready for the massage now?
Yeah, so I did ready.
Okay.
But you get back. I know these girls of this village, they're too cheap. They're too cheap. Papa said we go to do like mumu.
Okay, my put stomach for floor.
Yes.
Okay.
So.
Oh yeah now.
Right.
You go see man when you get teaching. You go to follow him up and down like say you go even get anything. See as mumu like that. Maybe they touch him up and down.
Na money be fine, but
like
this because they don't want know.
You don't tell this kind of thing. No.
Okay, don't feel like
Could they catch me?
Don't worry, I came with balm. It will help you.
Balm?
Yes.
You know they make me.
Don't worry.
Yeah, I mean this is a horror.
No. It will release your stress.
Okay. Alright, man. Lagos be last time we. Oh, I see. This is what I've been missing. I believe Mrs. Kind.
Don't worry.
Hey, you see this girl? You see what I tell you? You see this girl?
Did she
Your hand is soft but strong. Now the perfect combination for this kind of thing. Don't put too much balm, I beg, oh.
Okay.
Well, if I just bath sharp, you will come out. You see that shoulder with the massage?
Because your papa go marry second wife and your step mother go to show you Pepe.
That shoulder is carrying the weight of the world, though.
Don't worry.
No be small
I'm
stress.
going to make you feel better, okay?
I believe. Hey! Oh, we're not to sleep. You sabi this work, bro?
Yes, I told you. It's part of my profession.
You sabi this profession professionally.
You're going to feel better, okay?
You see that thing they do now, it dey correct for my spine.
She did the massage. See how she did like that. Wait, she no massage in her romance. Wait.
Don't worry, you'll be okay.
I see, say they put your weight on top my spine, make it stretch.
Sorry.
No, that's part of the thing. Yeah, the thing with that, please, they praise you.
It's part of the job.
No, the job is having the job, well. Hey!
Look, I haven't go drunk. What's what did you do my papa?
You won't make this you. Go make a go bring my thinking machine me with no plan.
This my positive. I don't know why he did this.
You are the argument.
See, Uju, I can't believe you actually stopped me here just to talk about Emenike.
Why? Is Emenike not your boyfriend?
Was. Uju was, not anymore. He was my boyfriend.
He was your boyfriend?
Yes.
Oh, really? So, Loma, what happened if I may ask? He didn't do anything?
He didn't do anything. I'm just tired. Can't somebody get tired?
Just like that?
I am tired. Can't you get tired of somebody?
This is not fair now. Just like that, you're tired of someone that has been there for you from day one.
I am tired.
There's something you're not telling me.
Yes. In case you want to know, or if you must know.
I want to know.
Since you're so concerned and you want to know about it.
I want to know. Tell me, spill it out.
I am in love with someone else.
Osno?
Yes, in love with someone else.
Huh?
Why are you surprised?
You're joking, right?
I am serious. I'm in love with someone else.
Okay, sorry. With who? With who? Uloma?
Uju, the man that I'm in love with is so special. If you see this man, he's so cute. This man is God's perfect creature. He's so sweet, so tall, so unique, so, oh my God, romantic and...
Wake up from your dreams. Anyways, this your new mumu that you're in love with. Is he as cute, as charming, as elegant, as educative? What else will I use? As loving as my own Oka?
What did you say?
My Unoka. My Unoka.
Uju, I know you're so bothered and want to know who this man is. But wait, take a pause and take a chill pill. I will not tell you. But when time comes, you will see this man with your eyes. And then you will cut cap for your friend.
I don't even want to know who he is.
You know a good thing when you see one.
I don't want to know who he is anymore. Because I am okay with my Unoka. If you don't want to be with Emenike, that is your problem. But let me leave one piece of advice for you. That's if you will take it. You know you're my friend. Ulama, Emenike has been there for you from day one. It is unfair for you to dump him for one useless idiot.
Hey, stop it. I won't have you spill rubbish about my boyfriend. No, I will not. If you want to say rubbish, come to me direct. Say it to me, rain your insult on me, I will take it. But not the man who I am in love with. Please. Okay? Uju, since you care so much, you can have Emenike to yourself. I don't
that's
care.
Not my choice.
Please, then leave him alone. Leave it.
He's not
I will
my
not stand
choice.
here and listen to you anymore, okay? I beg you in the name of whatever you worship. Let me be. Let me be.
I will say what I have to say because it's the truth.
Excuse me, I beg. I'm not interested.
Emenike.
If you like,
Emenike,
say it.
Say your boyfriend. Accept it, my friend. Emenike is your boyfriend. You must marry Emenike.
Excuse me, I beg.
Emenike is my type.
Go.
Emenike is your boyfriend.
Yes, go. Have him. Have him.
I will not have him.
I beg, excuse me. Yes. Shake it. You have. Shake it. I have. Shake it. Shake it. I'm shaking.
You must marry Emenike.
Yes. I don't want.
You must marry him.
Is it by force?
After all he has done for you.
Marry him.
After all he has done
for you.
You are so
Shake it.
wicked.
Shake it.
You're so wicked.
Shake it.
That's not shake it. This is
Yeah. Beautiful thing. I beg, excuse me. Love. You're only full of love.
Don't worry. You feel better, okay?
No, I feel better right now, so as in it's a walk. Okay, this one you did now under my arm. This one,
sorry.
Why they say sorry now? My question I ask you.
It's part of the job.
Okay.
So you feel relieved.
Okay.
But I think I'm done. Yes. How do you feel?
I feel good though. Hey, I don't feel very good. See, don't give me new energy. Me too. Thank you.
You feel good, right?
I feel good, Dalu.
Okay.
Thank you.
Alright. So I have to be on my way now.
Hi. I don't even offer you anything at school. I don't even.
Don't worry. Maybe next time. Yes.
Okay, man. Don't say no reason I want.
No. Not at all.
Thank you. My hand just down my waist.
So I have to go now.
Thank you.
I'll see you some other time.
Nah, no wala.
Please be good for me.
No.
Take care of yourself.
No wala. This massage, enter.
Okay. Bye.
Thank you. Do well.
Gradually beginning to win his heart. Very soon, he will fall in love with me. That is, if he has not fallen in love already. Oh my goodness, I can't wait. He's so handsome. Oh my God. I can't wait.
Hey, stop there. Stop.
What is the meaning of this?
See, I won't warn you. Stop till they come our house. Stop till they come see my papa.
Hold on. Am I the one you're actually talking to?
But quiet him there. But quiet him. You should not talk to you. Who should I talk to? But quiet go.
Hold on. I can see you lack respect. You don't have manners at all. If you know what is good for you now, get out of my way.
See, let me tell you. Make I tell you one thing where you don't know. Now only English you sabi speak. But if you do anyhow, now I go change that for you. I go change that for that. I go beat you for you. You don't know me. You don't know me.
Oh my goodness, I'm not doing this with these kids right now. Listen and listen carefully. If you know what is good for you, leave my way. I don't want to get angry with you.
See, make I tell you. If you like, they come my papa front. They come up and down. They walk up and down near him. Last, my papa no go marry you. Even if you want marry, go marry better person will pass you. If anytime when you come close my papa again, you no go like what I go do you. I don't want you now. No, they come my papa front again. No, they come our house again. You know they hear word.
I see you lack respect, but I'm going to teach you how to respect. Respect you.
Sorry.
I cannot see. Who are you? Ah!
Sorry, Auntie Nurse.
Hey!
Sorry.
Biko, where are you?
Sorry.
Hey! Ah, this children don't me. I cannot see anything. I cannot see anything. Where's my man?
Which side are you going to? Your shop or your house?
My shop. I'm going to.
Oh yeah, let's go. Let me take you there. Sorry.
Hey! Why are you?
Sorry. Auntie Nurse. Sorry.
Hey! Ah, my eyes! I cannot see anything.
Hey! You're still crying. You're not going to kill yourself over him, are you?
I love him with everything in me.
You love him with everything in you. Yet, what did you get in return? Heartbreak. Heartbreak, Akudo. See, the earlier you realize that and move on, the better for you. Just look at you, sitting here crying and killing yourself over a man who do not even care whether you exist or not. Huh? Who does that?
I don't deserve this. I don't deserve what Onoka is doing to me. I don't deserve this. I don't.
See, we all know you don't deserve it. And that's the more reason you should forget about him and move on. See, if you cause problems for yourself due to the way you think and cry over this issue, I'll be left with no option than to exempt myself. You can't continue doing this. You can't keep crying day in, day out. How long more do you intend to do this to yourself? God, it's okay. Sometimes I just feel like giving up on you, but because you're my sister, Ibiznakwa, it's okay. It's okay now. Stop it. It's okay. Stop crying, please. Go. See, you're turning red.
Come on, so you won't follow me?
No.
You don't want to follow me?
No, I want to stay for house.
So you don't want to follow me? What's happen?
Nothing, I just want to be for house. Make I relax more.
And I might go, come.
Okoso don't sue and say, her papa no go marry oh. This girl is in Nagano. Okoso don't sue and say, her papa no go marry oh. This girl is in Nagano. Kwambosi nke mere joyi. Okoso. Kwambosi nke mere joyi. Okoso.
Auntie Nurse, this is my father's compound. You can go from here now.
I'll try. Thank you.
Sorry.
Thank you so much.
Sorry.
You've tried. These children.
What's in do you?
You're asking me. Is it not that your useless daughter?
My own picking.
Yeah.
What did she do now?
She attacked me.
Attacked you? How that one take happen now? Why she attack you?
As I was coming back from your house, she and her friend jumped out from the bush and attacked me. I did not do anything to them.
I beg, I did very sorry. I hope they don't injure you. I'm so sorry.
They did.
Sorry.
I'm not getting myself now. Please just take me home. I'm tired.
Okay, so wait till I get to the house. You go there okay.
I'm not there okay. I'm traumatized. I need a massage. In fact, my breast is paining me. They were attacking me. They were hitting me on my breast. I need a massage around that place.
So sorry. I beg, no vex. I might carry you go house. No vex.
Oh, my body is paining me right now.
Sorry.
Oh, my body is paining me.
Sorry.
Like everywhere.
Sorry. Sit here,
I feel so down.
Sorry.
Hey, Jesus, it's paining me.
Bring them down. Might hold this one for you.
You have to hold it. Hold this one too. Yes, everywhere is paining me. Even my breast. I need massage.
Sorry. Okay, you come hold on. Hold this one. Maybe they go, Sorry,
Wait, I'm not balanced though.
Okay, now balance. You don't balance?
Yes.
Okay, where they go?
Say you massage my breast when we get home. Everywhere is paining me. My breast is paining me. That's why they were hitting me so bad. I so much hate this girl. That girl called her mom. I so much hate her with passion. Can you imagine the way she's riding that bicycle with my own Unoka? My own Unoka. I'm supposed to be the one riding that bicycle with him. I will show this guy in this village. This thing is just paining me. Uju, come back here. Leave me alone. Are you okay? What is wrong with you? Which one is am I okay? Are you not seeing it? Are you not seeing it? See, I am okay and you know it. Uloma, you know how much I love Unoka. You know how much I think about him every night, sleepless night. And one idiot of a nurse is riding that bicycle with him. I will still deal with this girl. She doesn't know me in this village.
Wake up. Uju, wake up from your slumber. Stop sleeping. Wake up. Leave him alone.
Just go. Leave me now. Let me not transfer my aggression on you. Do you hear me?
Yes.
Let me be.
Yeah, let's go now.
You go where? I don't want to go against it by force.
You don't want to go. Would you follow him to his house? Go and climb the bicycle. Go. Would you go and climb?
Can you just let me be? I don't want to transfer my anger on you now. Just go.
Okay.
Just go.
No problem. Follow him.
Just go.
I'm going. Would you go? Go. Follow him to his house. See person.
Sorry, no vex. I will see big firewood, so I break them. But the water don't ready.
Really?
Sorry,
Okay.
So
where is your shirt?
my shirt. Oh, okay. As I bought the water heat, so I just come out.
Oh.
It did outside.
I see.
I go get myself.
Please, all my body is just paining me. Can you help me? Can you help take me to the bathroom and bathe me?
My bathroom?
Yes.
That one go hard though. I'm not gonna lie to you. No.
What do you mean by that?
Go hard. No.
Stop saying this to me. What do you mean by that one go hard? No. You need to bathe me. You need to. If not for what your daughter did to me, I wouldn't be asking for your help. You're not making it look as if I'm doing this intentionally. It's not my fault. I need help. You just have to. You have to bathe me, massage my breast. Everywhere is paining me, and it's your daughter's fault. It's not like it's my fault.
Okay. I go carry you go bathroom.
Yes, bathe me, wash everywhere. Let it be clean.
I will carry you go that side. Maybe they go.
Please just help me stand.
Might carry you.
Help me stand up.
Maybe go. Sorry, Let's go. Ogoso! What kind of rubbish is this? Eh?
I don't know wait for you soon. What's that with this?
Who kill you then? You the crazy? Eh? You the man? What do you and your friend do at woman?
Oh, that one. I bet Papa leave that there. What did you just say I do?
I ask you a question, this question they answer me. And be like say you don't crazy.
Papa, calm down. No be that small thing we do for that place. I don't do anything, no. We just go one and she just they make mouth up and down. Now him say make we show am small pepper. See, this one we do am today na just small thing. The next time when she go try am, she no go even recognize herself. Make you just go to thank God.
Ogoso, next time you and your friend go do this kind of thing, I go beat case from your head. I go beat case from your head.
Bring me down.
You don't feel am? Now the power be this so. I go beat you with this power.
So now today carry me up here talk like this. Papa, leave me now, leave me. So because I know they talk to you, you just dey misbehave anyhow.
Let me talk to you like that. You dey crazy? Something dey worry for head.
So now this reason you chase my mom come out for this house. Make you dey see where they chase other girls.
So now this thing be the reason why you dey misbehave since. Now I tell you now, your mama go never come back to the house. She go never come back to this house ever.
Me to make her tell you, you no go ever marry another person for this. You no go ever try am. As far as say me I see there alive, as far as say I see there for this house, you no go ever marry person for this house.
Okay, so now me you dey talk to like that. Now you born me or now me born you?
Me I don't know.
Come here, I don't know too. Which kind of talk be that? You dey crazy? I go chase you come out for this house. I go marry another woman. I go go live with your mama.
You no go marry another woman. If you like, try and make her see now.
See what? Now me you dey talk to like that. Okoso. See, Okoso, I don't tell you. I don't tell you now. I don't tell you. I don't tell you.
Oh!
You don't feel like Bobby?
What did you say now? Oh yeah.
Nonsense.
Yeah.
Nonsense.
Don't
See, no try that kind of thing again. No try am.
Na me cause am now. If na chair there, you fit carry am like this. Because I dey like this, you fit carry me. If na chair there, you go carry am like this. Na me cause am now. I don't dey calm down na because.
Okoso. I go hang you for this trio. Oh, sure.
Papa, what you dey do? What you dey do? Hey, Papa, no dey try this thing. Now no dey try this thing. Papa, what you dey do now? You wan leave me here come out? You wan leave me here come out, Papa?
Say food dey ready, Abi.
Oh yeah, Papa, don't calm down. Come now. Come carry me down. Don't calm down. I don't go do am. Oh yeah, sorry, I don't do am again. I don't dey laugh with you now. Oh. Ah, before this shade na chade. Papa, beg now.
Sorry, I don't know say you go jump out from that bush like that now. I don't know.
It's not you. You were not looking now, I don't know what you were thinking. Now you had to hit this my fine leg. See my leg, very beautiful. Are you not seeing it?
I'm sorry.
I've heard. Hey, up. Be coming up like this. Ow!
I mean, I carry you go see chemist. I bought my friend. She feel run this thing sharp.
Who is Aboma?
Now my friend, she get shop for Village Square. She feel run this. I feel carry am come here herself if you no one go shop. And a better person she be.
Now I know why you went to take your bicycle to hit my fine leg.
I didn't do it on purpose.
Use your purpose what? So you can take me to that your quack useless aboma to come and heal it. That your nurse. That was your game plan, eh?
I tell you, I don't mean am now. I don't know so you go come out from that bush now, eh? I know the lie, not true, I tell you. I don't do this thing on purpose.
Massage this leg, is still paining me. Use your both hands. Do it softly, like softly.
Use this one too.
Just put. If I drop this thing, use your hand. Use your hand. Touch it like that. Like that.
Sorry.
Yeah, like that. Go up. Come this way. Be coming up. Be coming to my laps. Yes. Hi.
Your leg is not broken.
What do you mean it's not broken? Are you the one that is carrying it?
But it's not broken now.
It's broken inside. It's not physical. It's inside. The wound is inside. See, I don't know what you've done. You've committed a big offense here because my leg is broken. You have to marry me because even though I don't want to marry you, Sha, but I will manage and marry you because no man will marry me with this broken leg.
It won't break. My stretch out.
Let me balance well.
Okay.
Hey.
Okay.
Oh, father! Yes, it's okay. It's okay. You can go now. Bring the leg. Yes, bring the leg quietly. Hold with your two hands now. Put my leg on my slippers.
Where's your slippers?
Hey.
You say I can go?
Yes.
Okay. If you need anything, don't hesitate to call me. I'll come.
No problem. You say I should call you, I'll call you.
I go come.
I'll call you.
Okay,
if I need anything, I'll come to your house. So that's what you said, though. Which one is it? Are you stammering? You say if I need, I should come to your house.
Yes. I mean, if but you know what you need now.
I go need though with this broken leg. I go need though. Please don't jam any other girl. It's only me, It's only me. So you not go and marry another person. I touched his body. Hell! I will not buff this leg at all. Hey! Uju! Iwagwo. You're a snake. What I go? I told him, massage the leg. You know my leg is very fine. You went to break it. I can add though. Hey! Hell!
So you tight your face. Go tell me say you see the first about that's the way happen. Those are the first time now. And you say if you no try yourself, why you go do that kind of thing now? You know say you no good now. Oh yeah. I say I'll buy you biscuits. And drink to wash it down. You understand? Never finish, you know what I mean? See on now. The buckle. And I chop biscuits.
Hold your biscuit, I don't want chop.
You don't want chop biscuits? So what do you want me to get for you now? What do you want?
I'm not very hungry, I don't want chop anything. Don't touch me.
Okay, may I go want food for you now? I go want food, come give you. Because you're not my only child though. You mean a lot to me. I don't want to make anything happen to you.
You don't want to make anything happen to me. Now you want to marry another person. Make you come to treat me like slave.
God forbid now. Nobody go treat you like slave now. That kind of thing never know if it happen. Person will go treat you like slave. They never even born now. They don't go born now. I go want food, come give you. They come.
Okoso don so and say, her papa no go marry oh. This girl labeled in Nagano. Okoso don so and say, her papa no go marry oh. This girl labeled in Nagano.
You collect this to wait. This place where you chop am. Wait, drop am.
Kwambosi nke mere joyi. Okoso. Kwambosi nke mere joyi. Okoso, okoso. Kwambosi nke mere joyi. Okoso. Kwambosi nke mere joyi. Okoso, okoso.
Hey. Huh? Don't say she no want chop now. Say she no dey hungry. Wetin be this now? Okay. Okoso, what's happened to the food where the kitchen now? You don't say you never chop, say you no want chop now. What's happened to the food now?
I don't chop am. As you leave me come out, I chop am. I be make I no chop. I chop am now. You leave me go meet your girlfriend. Me, I chop am. I no want make hunger kill me.
Okoso, you're trouble too much. You're trouble too much. Which one say I leave you go see my girlfriend? Which girlfriend I get for this village? You don't see me with any girlfriend. Eh? When you talk that kind of talk, which one say I leave you go see my girlfriend? Don't they make me look somehow, eh? I go leave you. Where that biscuits? Might chop that one now. Since you know what my chop proper food. My chop biscuits. You know what give me the biscuits?
And what I throw with this, I don't chop am.
Now you use leg. Pass me the food. The disrespect. Why is this thing nice? Huh? Okay, so let it not be what I'm thinking. You don't chop everything finish. No be biscuits what I bring now. You say you no want chop. Why you chop?
Not me you buy am for. You tell me say na me you buy am for. Make I not chop am again. Anytime me I like I go chop am. So na my own.
You even drink the drink. You drink the drink finish. Chop the biscuit finish. Eat the food finish. So what's me I go chop? Eh?
Your girlfriend no give you food.
What you?
Okoso don't sue and say her papa no go marry you. This girl labeled in Nagano.
I no get girlfriend. Don't bring anything about woman up again. You understand?
This girl labeled in Nagano.
I go find food, but I no die. Sorry, did I hit you? Well, I know the nonsense.
Kwambosi nke mere joyi. Okoso. Kwambosi nke mere joyi. Okoso, okoso.
Hey, good morning, Lord. I did. You're looking very, very takeaway today.
How was it nice?
It was okay.
You slept well?
I slept well.
I can see you're washing your bicycle.
No, I got to wash my machine now. You know, so it go dey shine.
All right.
Yeah.
I came to give you a massage. I hope you're ready for that.
No, I'm ready. I'll finish one later.
Okay, so let's go.
Yeah, they come.
You say you go carry me go market, make I go buy something. I don't finish.
No, that one go be later things.
Exactly.
Now I massage.
Exactly.
Now I massage, you know.
This is important.
It's very important for spinal cord. You know, if I don't do it now, I feel no dey work again. No, enter. Go spread your distance.
Okay.
Hey, are you bringing this one, come?
Yes.
Hey, Mado.
I brought fruit for you.
See apple.
I brought it for you.
It's a big. You don't wash them?
No.
Oh,
Let me
okay.
get a bowl of water.
Okay.
I'm coming.
Voila. Hey. You chop fruits? Fruit though. No fruit there. See apple. Pineapple. And this one, I don't know what's it. This one. Later now, okay.
actually got it for you alone.
No. What is for me is for her too.
Oh, I get.
That's how it is. That is like that.
If you say so.
No, I say so.
Okay.
Okay. So I'm going to chop on what you do the massage.
Yes. It's part of the relaxation.
This one is paradise. Makes sense.
And you need it.
They have good sweet.
Don't worry, enjoy yourself.
It tastes soap. No. Be like soap, baby water.
No, there's no soup.
Okay.
Don't worry, just relax.
Yeah, so you see, on my shoulder,
okay,
baby.
I'm here to make you feel good, okay?
I'm feeling great.
Don't worry, you'll be fine.
Mm.
I told you, I'm good with this. I'm here to relieve your stress.
I swear. If you do that one way, they punch him.
Okay, like this.
Hey!
Don't worry, just relax. You'll be okay.
No, I say you can punch him.
Okay. Alright, like this.
This one to the enter. Down my neck, no punch my neck.
Alright.
Hey, God will bless you.
Bless you too. Anything for you, sir. Don't worry. It's my job to take care of you.
Hey.
No be that stupid nose be that. Now chill now. You don't see what they tell you since. So that lesson we teach her that day never do her. No, she go get another one. Just be like, they make this ground just open, make her sit inside. Like, I want kill this girl, I want kill him. If you leave me, I go kill him. No be wish with the thing. No get plan. Oh, yeah, tell me what I go do now. Maybe now you drive me come here. Tell me what I fit do now. My thinking machine don't give me solution. You go walk? Yes, now. No good job.
Don't stress yourself. You don't need stress.
I will finish my bicycle first. I got clean and finish, but I didn't hear you.
I can actually help you with that.
With the no, we won't work with that.
It doesn't mean anything.
Hey.
Don't worry. You'll be fine.
They reset everything.
You'll be fine, okay?
They reset all the illusion. Hey.
You love it, I know.
I know, I love it. See this one now, you don't stressing my spinal cord.
You have to be okay. I have to be like this.
Okay. Now this
to help
one...
stretch your bones.
Yes.
Yes, to help stretch your bones. And again. Yes. Yes. I'm walking like this. Yes. By the time I use this thing, tight. Tight. Nobody will know. And my plans will work. Let me quickly tie this thing on my leg. Yes. My plans must work. My plans must work. It must work. Yes. Tell him that my knee is broken. Come on. Fast. Fast. Somebody will come.
Hey! Uju, Iwago. By the time I have to fold this my skate like this, that thing will show very well. By the time I get to his place, I'll tell him that I want to stay in his place. I'll be happy if I stay here. That's if he marries me, that is the only way my body will be fine. Because I've broken my leg. No, that does not sound okay. That sounds so desperate. Okay, I'll tell him that there's nobody in my house, so I have come to stay in his house till I get better, until my people come back. Hey! Smart move. Uju, Ewago, let's go there. How do we walk? What am I even doing, Seth? No, let me stop with her. When I get to his house, at the gate, I'll start crying. Yes, let's go there. It's close by. Choma,
what are you doing there?
I'm plugging a tree. Just
a tree?
Plug this. Yes.
What for?
No, I like holding it.
What happened to your leg?
My sister. What can I say? I had an accident.
Hey,
help me.
Hey, sorry. Hey, sorry, yo. Ogini, what happened?
Don't worry. It's a minor accident. Okada man knocked me down at the village square.
Hey, sorry. This thing is minor. This big bandage on your leg like this is minor.
What can I say?
But now what can you say? This is a very serious something. All the very serious. But I hope that's Okada man that you dealt with. In fact, that they dealt with him very well. Okay?
My sister, by the time I could stand up from the ground, the man ran away, and there was nobody to help me. I had to support myself all the way. It is well. Don't worry. It's fine.
Shele, would you calm down? Did you say it happened at the village square?
Yes, village square.
And you got up, nobody was there to help you. Village square, people are plenty there.
It's not just the village square. It happened around the village square. That Appian way, that corner. I don't know how to explain that place.
Yes, I know Ebanwa. That corner.
Thank God you understand.
Yes, I understand very, very well.
That's where it happened.
Hey, Ndo, what?
Thank you.
Ndo. Hey, this is evil. That bike man must be an evil person. In fact, he's a ritualist. I suspect so. Hey, God will punish that man. God will punish that man. God will punish that man in Jesus' name. Amen. Very evil. Hey, sorry. I hope you are choosing this Lego.
God will not punish anybody.
Are you talking to me?
No, I only said yes. I'm treating it.
Sorry.
Thank you.
So where are you going to now?
I'm going to get some prescription at the clinic.
Hey, Yando. Yeah, come, let me follow you and go.
No, don't worry. I'm fine. I can find my way.
No, now this thing is big. I don't want you to go and fall on the road. I want to follow you. You're my friend. Let me follow you and let's go.
Choma, I know you're my friend, but I said no now. Let me go. I can. It's not me that trekked all the way from that village square and to this place.
But I helped you now. I helped you to come down here
because
now.
This place was hill now. There was hill here, but here is not hill now. Here is flat. I can go straight now.
I'm your friend. I have to help you. It's very important.
Is it my first to help somebody? I don't need your help at this stage. Don't worry. You're a good friend. I appreciate you very, very well. God bless you. But I'm sure your mother sent you on an errand.
No.
Okay, your boyfriend sent you on an errand.
I don't have a boyfriend.
Okay, whoever that sent you, just go and do what they sent you.
I'm very, very free.
What is all this now?
I must follow you to the clinic. You're my friend and I care about you.
Let me see, is it my force to follow me?
It's my force.
Now, Makabiko.
I
don't want to go again. Go your way now. Must you help me?
You are sweating though. On top this.
Okay, I don't want to go again.
Me too, I'll stay here now. I ain't about no but I will guide you. I'm a bodyguard. See this big bandage on your leg.
Leave me alone.
This big bandage. No, I'm not going. It's by force. I must help you. I'm your friend.
Is it my force to help me?
Yes.
Go your way.
I'm not going.
Stay there. What kind of rubbish is this one? I can find my way. You're there. Doing. I beg, leave me though.
After you say, Obi-Wan there, she see me, she don't help me. Be your brother's keeper. I want to be that.
I will not say it. You have helped me. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Thank you.
I'm suspecting you. It is mysterious. But God will punish that Okada man.
Not punish him.
God will punish him.
Not punish him.
God will punish him.
God will punish him.
God will punish him. 100 times. God will punish that man. It's evil. All Israel is called. God will punish that man. Punish that man in Jesus' name. Amen.
Is it my force to be friends with somebody? Mary Amaka, want to come and do good? You have done good, now go. Want to back if I call them all them. Back call them business. Thank God nobody saw me sitting down here and arguing with you. Oh yeah, let's go. Let's go and continue our mission.
Okoso don't sue and say, her papa no go marry oh. This girl able in Nagano. Okoso don't sue and say, her papa no go marry oh. This girl able in Nagano. Kwambosi nke mere joyi. Okoso. Kwambosi nke mere joyi. Okoso. Okoso.
I need to massage your arms so that you'll be fine.
Come, let me finish with what I'm doing.
Okoso, what's up?
Why did they spoil show for me? No be that one. It be this. She can't wahala be this one now.
Eh?
What's in there for this bucket?
What's in there for the bucket?
I don't know.
What's that?
It's very big.
Is it a snake?
Hold on. I'm good. What's in inside this bucket now?
No.
Hi.
I've been just saying something there. I see something.
What do you see now? Why you shout like say you did die?
Maybe not my eyes. I don't know. Let me go continue with what they do.
Now you they give me this BPO. Now you see him? Nonsense.
No, now go continue with what they do.
Don't try that kind of thing again. Can you imagine? Which kind?
No, go continue what you do.
Nurse. Nurse. Come, let's go. This is kind of thing that you be giving me high BP. For no reason.
You just distracted us.
Huh? Don't understand though.
I even forgot to apply the relaxation cream.
Relaxation cream?
Yes.
Oh.
So just come and lie down. Let me.
No wonder. You been the enter house, but you know day like that last time.
Don't worry.
Hey.
Let me apply it now.
Oh yeah, no, relaxation cream. Hey. Even this run where I run now, so I need my joints.
That's why you need to relax. What is it? What is it? Jesus. What is it? Calm down. What is it? What is going on? What happened, Papa? What is that? I'm not doing anything. I was just massaging him. Hey! Shouting. Unaka, please.
Papa, not everything.
Eh?
Hey! Papa, not everything.
No! Wait! I don't do anything. I don't do anything to him. Unaka.
What do you do, my Papa, now? If I what you do, I don't do anything to him.
I was just massaging him and Unaka. I'm not doing anything. I'm not doing anything to him. I'm serious. I don't do anything to him.
You not do anything to him.
I don't do anything. I don't do anything. I don't do anything to him.
You see your life for outside. If they tell you something, you no go dey hear am. This man, I don't know the kind of way this man is. Now so you go to look any woman where you see for your side, you go agree.
See your life. Hey, why also? Why do?
Now so you go date it tomorrow. Nonsense.
See your life.
Hey, no, go talk am. Go tell am. No, get me. No, whether you put poison.
Okoso don sue and say her papa no go marry o. This girl labeled in Nagano. Okoso don sue and say her papa no go marry o. This girl labeled in Nagano. Kwambosi nke mere joyi Okoso. Kwambosi nke mere joyi Okoso. Kwambosi nke mere joyi Okoso. Kwambosi nke mere joyi Okoso.
What kind of bad market is this? Oh, my headphones.
Dingo, though. Dingo say you don't wait.
What's happened?
Hey! Kill.
What's happened? What's happened to me? What's happened?
No, be that nose. I don't know if kill for me.
I remember saying she rubbed something for my body. We come. Hey, she won't eat me die that time.
Nah, Chi, I don't know what this is wrong for your body. You don't die, finish. So, hey.
Who be this?
God, Pastor. Now the man who I meet to outside, and I can't go outside now. I can't see him. Tell him everything what happened. He say he go help you.
It's okay. Sorry, I'll come back. No fast. Thank you, Oga. Thank you.
No problem.
Eh?
No problem.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Thank you.
But you should just thank your stars. I came in time to save your life. If not, you would have been a dead man by now. You see that thing that woman applied on your skin? It's dangerous and it kills. So whoever she is, please, sir, avoid her.
So no, like this, I for die. I for just die on top mat from, hey, God forbid bad thing. Oga, thank you.
That time, and they talk about they tell you everything. Say make you know they listen to that game. No, they come close to the game. But if anytime I say you go look at me, I get another thing for mine.
So it's okay. It's okay. Oga, thank you. Thank you so much. Hey. You know.
The money na 5K.
5K?
And you know to am free now. He say I go give him the money before he do am. I come dey beg am. He come say make he do am because now you go pay the money.
No wahala. 5K. I go pay you the 5K, huh? I'll go pay you that 5K. I dey come, I go. 5K, huh? Okay.
Spoiled everything for me. She ruined all my plans. If I catch that girl, if I catch that girl.
Uju? Ogini, what is happening here? Eh? I don't understand. I came to see you. You say you had an accident. You say Gambia Fugi. I came here to see you. What is happening here?
Leave me alone. Just leave me alone, please. Leave me alone. Stop putting my dress now. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Is that too hard for you to hear? Leave me alone, please. Go to punish her. Just leave me alone. If you must know, there was no accident.
Did I hear you well? Did I? No. Mbana, that's a lie. Because I saw you. I saw you with a very big bandage on your leg. This bandage now.
Mimi, now I just said there was no accident. Yes, this bandage is fake. The injury, everything fake. I planned everything was a planned game now. And I was almost there. One thing to attack, and this guy ruined everything for me. I will kill that guy in this village. Doesn't know me. Doesn't know me. Maybe.
Oh, Patoriwa, is it you fake accident. You fake accident.
Chima, leave me alone now. What you say? I'm not ready for your sermon this morning. No, just keep it to yourself. Let me think. I'm trying to think. Let me get another strategy now. You're here shouting, hey, Chime Boom Ken. Just leave me. Let me just think. Let me think of my next strategy.
Hey, Chom. Would you? Why is your face like this?
Hey, Chom. This is somebody's house, so mind the way you enter. And please, leave my face the way it is. It shows that I'm not ready for any stupid talk with anybody now. I want to be on my own.
Whatever. Is it not you and your drama every time? Drama. Please, I don't even have that time. Choma, have you heard the latest gist? I have gist for you people. Hey! Another one. So you're not updated. So you've not heard the gist about Agboma, the local nurse.
Agboma, what happened to her? Please tell me she's dead.
Get out of my face. What is tell me she's dead? Can you imagine? As I was saying, she was running for her dear life. They said she was running like a mad dog, running. My dear. They said she carried one cream and put something that she was using to massage Unoka and he passed out.
Hey! Unoka? My Unoka?
Uju?
What was she doing there now?
Uju, what made Unoka yours? What made him yours? Who made him yours?
My Unoka.
See, forget this side. Forget here.
My dear, as I was saying, they said she's nowhere to be found in the village. They are looking for her everywhere.
Hey!
Wait. Please. No. What is important to me now is, please, Nne. Only I said, please, what happened to my Unoka? Is he okay?
Are you asking me? I will tell you. Nne, as I was saying, he said Unoka is fine, no? He said he's fine, but I had to be satisfied with myself. I had to go to his gate and I saw him. He's alive. He's alive.
Hey, that's a sign of relief. Hey, Obasi, Dalo, thank you, Lord. Hey.
What are you thanking God for?
Hey, Mama, you will not understand.
What are you thanking God
for?
What
will you drink? This is a testimony.
I thought you said I should mind you when I'm coming to something.
Ulokam is alive.
Hey! Uju, this thing that you are doing is really annoying. Why are you taking it personal? Who made him yours? Who gave him to you?
Ulokam. My Unoka.
Hey!
Crazy things are happening.
Strange things are happening.
Wonderful things are happening.
Some things are happening. Mysterious things are happening here. Strange things are happening here.
Crazy things are
happening here.
I am crazy in love with my Unoka.
We need to
Saika.
Hey, Unoka is alive. Thank you, Jesus.
Hey, China, this thing walk. You walk well. I don't know, say this thing they walk like this.
See here. You see that substance I gave to you guys? It's very powerful.
Chai.
Most especially if you use it according to prescription, then it will work very well.
I see how you work well.
I think say this my nigga no dey for my hand.
I don't know.
What she just call her straight answer.
Salute you.
Never come on.
Never come on, yeah.
Share the money now.
You say?
Share the money now.
Okay, ma, share the money. Which money?
I know 5,000 we talk. Even when your papa they'll give you 5,000, even add 3,000.
And so make I come to share the money with you. Now you I want share money with.
Oh, Chad, leave him now. Nothing spoiled. Just leave him.
For my hand though.
Leave him
yeah,
now.
Go.
Thank you,
No
bro.
problem.
You try. Try.
No wahala.
You try.
Mona they bring work for me.
Why you know they share money?
No, they go now. Go still get another thing. Nothing spoiled. I beg you, try.
Nonso. Stop
Nonso. You are getting me pissed, Nonso. Nonso, respect yourself. I don't know. What is it? What is your problem? Why are you stalking me? Stop stalking me for crying out loud. What is it? Is it not obvious that I am not interested in whatever it is that you have to say?
Akudo, calm down. Calm down and hear me out, please.
Like I said, I am not interested in whatever it is you have to say. Stay away from me. I have told you this countless times. I am a married woman. Stay away from me, Nonso.
Akudo, you're no longer married. And everybody knows that. And your husband abandoned you a long time ago, and from what I heard, he's married to another lady.
It is not your business. Chukwu Nonso, stay away from me. This is my last one.
Akudo. I don't even know what this girl just wants. I don't...
I think you should accept him.
I don't understand. Accept what exactly?
By now, you should have been able to move on and also learn how to accept people back into your life. Stop counting yourself amongst married women. You can't be married and single at the same time.
As far as I am concerned, I am a married woman. Okudili, even if outsiders are against me, even if they do not believe me, I expect you, my sister, to know what I am capable of. I did not do it.
Akudo, we are not here to debate on whether or not you did it. The deed has been done. And what is expected of you is to move on and wipe away the last that is trying to creep into your future. That's what I'm talking about.
I don't expect this from you.
Let's tell ourselves the truth. You need to move on, and you know it. I'm done talking. I can't keep running over this issue.
Why you push on?
Make I repair.
You want repair? You don't feel repair with it. Wait till you blow. You blow, yeah. Say, wait. Don't worry. When we get to it. Hey, no manager. They reach out. They will run on tomorrow.
Naka, good morning.
Good morning. I know this face. I don't see you before.
Yes, of course. I'm from this village. My name is Uloma.
I think I'm saying I don't see this face before.
Yes, but we've never spoken to each other.
Not true, exactly. Not true.
Please, I'm sorry. There is something I've been meaning to talk to you about, but I don't know how to go about it. Yes, for a very long time now. Waiting
be that. I've been something you want to tell me separate.
No, it's not a bad thing. I can say it in front of your daughter. Yes.
Okay, now waiting be that.
You know, say you don't take away your wife leave you, and I be very nice person. I don't observe. Say you really need somebody as a single man to help you run errands, cook, do all the house chores, and help you take care of your daughter and yourself.
As speaking, wasting the sock breast, you want to take care of me?
No verse. I did not mean it from that perspective. Yes.
That one is your business. But I bet me will come out here. Why will even?
Okay, so calm down now. Calm down. Easy.
As I was saying now about the proposal,
yes.
I can run errands for you, cook, clean, sweep everywhere. Just name it.
It makes sense.
Right?
That makes sense. I don't lie you. But
Thank you.
I just want to know why you want to help me like that.
Okay, like I said, since your wife left you, it's not good for you to stress. You are stressing and it's not fine. So I said I'm going to help. Right. I will help you do anything you want. I will clean, I will sweep, I will cook. You're a better person, though. Yes, very good person.
Now, the idea makes sense. It makes sense.
Thank you. So can I come tomorrow and start with
Yes, now.
You can come tomorrow. Thank you. I'll come.
Okay, now.
Thank you.
Okay, now. God bless you,
Thank you. God bless you too. My friend, bye-bye.
No, your friend. No, this way you go before.
I want to buy something.
Na better person, no. See how she reason me.
Calm down. I don't understand all this way they do. Now everybody will knock for your door, you go open. I don't like her. So this is what happened the other day. You never teach you lesson.
Oh, so you're a small child now. You never understand. When you grow, you go
me,
understand.
I don't like her, man. I don't like her.
See as God just bless us.
I don't like this nonsense. I don't like her.
You na pikin, calm down. She go to help us now.
Kwambosi nke mere jụọ oyi okoso. Kwambosi nke mere jụọ oyi okoso.
Small girl, how are you? I bet no better. Help me call your father. Tell him I want to see you. Small girl, I dey talk to you.
My papa no dey. You don't travel.
Travel? You dey pour me sand, oh. Your papa travel. When?
See this one. I tell you, say my papa don't travel. You see, they ask me a question. You will happen.
Oh yeah, no verse, eh? No problem. I go. Please, when he comes back, and tell him I came around. Yeah? Remember that I'll come back.
You don't come.
Good morning.
Good morning. Welcome.
Thank you. I came. Your daughter said you're not around.
said it. Yes. Don't be morning with this. This will not be early morning.
It's okay.
I bought breakfast for you and your daughter.
Are you serious?
Yes, there's something on your face, so. Yes, let me help you.
Oh, okay. Thank you. You bought food?
Yes, breakfast.
Wando.
Thank you. I'm no, let me help you.
Oh, okay.
So that when we sit down there, now I can help you remove all those pimples on your face.
Okay, no wahala.
Yes.
Food though. Come shop now. Come shop. Hey.
Yes.
Nice. See how now. Can't be like saying that that's the way that they use whole tea.
I just say you saying that the food for two of us. Huh? Why you carry only one spoon?
And there is spoon in your house. I know there is spoon in your house. That's why.
And you know, some family they use one spoon self. Everybody go share.
Not so. Now, what I even think.
You see what they talk? You say exactly.
Now, what I think.
Thank you. Huh?
No wahala.
Listen. Something like this.
Yes, so.
It's you. Come like say the pinch me.
Sorry.
Yeah.
And my fingernails. Sorry.
Okay.
This girl.
How you gonna do that? How you gonna feel enter my rice?
I don't know.
You don't know, you don't see me for this side?
I don't see I'm on time.
Why can't you stand to come my side now?
Okay.
Okay.
I'm finally here now. I pray this my plan works. But won't he say this bandage has been long? I'll tell him that the wound is taking time to heal because nobody is taking care of me. So I want to come so that he will take care of me. Abi? Yes, into work. Yeah. Let's start the step.
No vex, eh? It's no problem. See,
put it this.
No vex. I can go inside and make another.
No, you don't stress yourself already now.
No worry, I know they complain. What would you like to have?
I know you don't stress yourself now. See nice meat. Stand up full.
No worry.
Look at that.
No worry. Make I just quickly go cook another one for you. No be problem. Yes.
I see sweet meat now. Don't wait.
No worry. Which way?
No, wait. This way.
You sure?
Now that way.
No worry. Make I cook for you now. Now they come.
Oh God. What is Unoma doing here? I thought this girl said that Unoka is not her type. What is she doing in this place? And she knows how much I love this man and she's just there eating with him. God will punish this girl. God will punish this girl. Everything I've planned I've just wasted. Uloma, I swear to God I'll deal with you. I will so deal with you, you don't know me.
I go market, I won't buy bushmeat for her.
Oh, Papa, waiting they worry you now. Waiting now. Why they make yourself available for all these stupid girls when they come around you? Why now? See as you allow this and make she go to cook for you. What if she put poison for that food? Or she put love potion for you? What will happen?
No be everybody be bad person. Okay, no be everybody get bad heart. This woman, a better person should be a very good heart. Since your mama do that thing what she do to me, break my heart, finish. Not only this woman, we don't see me for road, no say, I need person who go they cook for me. So, no be bad person should be. Now one day, then they take no person, and now one day, then they take no wife.
Wait, so what do you want them now? You say you want marry that girl?
Now what's I talk? I don't say I go marry him, but even if I marry him, na bad thing. Now wife material should be. I tell you, now wife material. Papa. Go help him. You don't say me and you know sabi cook. Now when we don't see person we won't help us, we no doll. Go help him for kitchen.
Don't sue and say, her papa no go marry oh. This girl labeled in Nagano.
Go help him now.
Okoso don't sue and say, her papa no go marry oh. This girl labeled in Nagano. Kwambosi nke mere joyi okoso. Kwambosi nke mere joyi.
Love, I'm in love. Housewife. Seriously. You don't get single shame for your eyes. You were the girls of this village. I don't know why una no get sense. Una too cheap. Una too dey lose guard. See as you come from your house, come to my papa house, turn yourself to housewife. Person will never marry you. We know they look your face.
Don't talk to me anyhow. Don't talk to me anyhow.
Now so you go dey waka from one man house to another. They look for where you go dey cook.
Don't talk to me like that. I'm not your mate. Respect yourself. Respect me. I'm not your mate. Don't sharp your mouth for me. You hear me?
See this one. I can tell you. You be disgrace to womanhood. Yes. See as you just... I don't even be a fine person. See as you won't finish, come my papa house, use this so big bomb on the deceive them up and down. When I go, they come body for my papa, they walk out, they come out for him body. They come and like say he be what I no say. No be say he get money. No be say he even get car. Nobody follow and bomba to bomba. Una too dey cheap. You too cheap. Chia! Stupid girl. Now to they cook up and down for man. They cook up and down for man. You don't cook for your house before. If now your fellow girl tell you say make you cook for them, not because cost gonna give them. Now you just you come man house. Man, why not they even look your face? You come man house not to cook. That you cook for them now you know. Man, why not even beg you say you want make you cook for them? My papa tell you say you don't try to the cook the food. He tell you say you no go fit cook for yourself. You girl. After you go still go another man's house, go cook for him. You go see enter another man's house, go cook for him. They cook, you know. See as and they talk, they do another thing.
I'm in love, oh. Yeah.
What do you even cook for this place, sir? What do you cook for this place? I'm not going to make you cook for him.
Leave me alone.
I can tell you, I know your plan. Yes, so, but my papa no go marry you. Never! You no go try him. Yes, let me tell you. No sense. See as this your head be like goat horn. They use and they pursue my papa. Because you carry big gun, you go use and they deceive my papa. This say you find all. You are what? If nobody don't tell you that, make I tell you for your front. You are what?
Leave it.
I know your plan. But your plan no go work. You want marry my papa? You want me my papa marry, but you no go work. You no go work. Never! Nonsense girl.
See!
Man snatcher. Father snatcher. Husband snatcher. That is what you are. You cook for person who no beg you. You too do. Be coming down. They don't beg you. Be coming down. I don't know why you too cheap. You too cheap. Even me. I dey expensive past you. Me, I dey look for higher thing, high class thing. You, na lower things you dey look for. You know they like to dey upgrade yourself. See as I dey expensive, but you too cheap. I no go ever go man house, go dey cook for am, dey do everything make it look my face. But see you, yeah girl, cheap girl. Nonsense.
I mean, love. Love can make anybody do anything. I'm in love, oh. very special to me. I'm in love.
Kwambosi nke mere joyi. Okoso, okoso. Okoso don't sue and say, our papa no go marry oh. This girl is in Nagano. Okoso don't sue and say, our papa no go marry oh. This girl is in Nagano. Kwambosi nke mere joyi. Okoso. Kwambosi nke mere joyi. Okoso, okoso.
In love, oh, very special. In love, oh, very special.
Kwambosi nke mere joyi. Okoso.
I'm in love,
Kwambosi nke mere joyi. Okoso.
very special.
Okoso.
What happened this time? Why your face is like this? My papa again. My papa again. What did you do your papa first? Another girl don't dey house. And this one now, she dey cook. I said, they see this thing now. My papa fit marry this girl. No, I know your papa no talk like that. Wait oh, your papa go come marry you, you go come be stepdaughter. No, I no go walk. No think like that. Don't think like that. Chad, I need you now. I need make you tell me something. Make her just plan something faster before anything go happen. Because if you leave my phone now, this girl fish up and finish. You know the girl, how the girl takes it like? You know the girl. The girl not even fine no but she just you need to see this girl. If you see the way they carry herself like person wey get house. And the one where they pay me more be say she get big bum. Hey! What they use and they deceive my papa up and down. This man, sometimes they behave like person who no get sense. Person who no suck breast milk. For me to bring out my tea, give me my shit. Ah! Okay, so she come here. What's happen? I get plan.
Sabi this thing, oh. I swear, you sabi this food thing, oh. It's sweet. It's very nice. This one makes sense, oh.
Thank you.
You sabi to cook, oh. You sabi cook.
Now, what you could enjoy? This is what you.
Abi, who does you have to cook this kind of food? Your mama?
My mother.
My mother teach me before she could die. Now you don't make me now, don't they miss my mother? Oh, my mother.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
I miss her so much. I miss my mother.
No, I promise you everything will be fine.
Oh, my mother.
Hey, no.
Mother.
I know how it is. Be strong. Be strong. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Are you okay? She's still with you, with your skills.
Thank you.
Okay, so you don't want to see meat, so different kinds of meat. This one, that one where they do for stomach.
Roundabout.
Roundabout. You don't want chop? Might keep meat for you. I will keep one.
Thank you. Very sweet.
Very sweet.
I like it.
I love it. Be strong, okay?
Thank you.
I like that smile. Okay. Let me eat this meat, sir. I don't go down.
Hey, not true.
Which kind of wahala be this now? Now of all times.
You see, don't complain. Let's just trek.
Which one we don't complain? My tire don't go down.
You see, you never can tell. Maybe not sign. Sorry.
Hey, I know this thing again.
Let's just trek. No, run a sign. No.
Where they go? Hey, see how everything is just
The first that I saw you, I was looking, I said, hey, see this man is so fine. How am I going to now make him notice me? You understand?
Is this your body?
Your daughter been there now, so you look oh, it's sweet though. I tell you now. Hello, John. Hey, Chom Chom. Baby, let me just see my friend, please. I'm coming. Hey, why are you dragging me like that?
See, what is happening? Would you complain about you to me? What is going on?
See, forget about Uju. See, some people jealous me. Uju is just simply jealous because I got Unoka before her. That is her problem.
How? What's happening between you and Unoka?
I and Unoka are officially dating. As a matter of fact, he wants to marry me.
So fast?
Yes, so.
Really?
Yes.
That's nice.
Thank you. See, I don't want to keep my guy waiting. I'll come to your house. I'll give you the gist. Yeah?
Yes.
Thank you. Baby. My friend, she was just asking me something.
Now 2 hours, you still.
No, yes. No, but
He's cute though. He is the kind of man every woman wants. I think I like him. No, Chioma, get hold of yourself.
Material. Normally. You be wife material. Normally. I talk I'm wife material. Hey. You get sense. You get breasts. You get nyash. Can't stop it cook. Normally, I have a wife material. I have a wife material. I get sense. I got breasts. I get nyash. I can't stop it cook. Normally, I have a wife material. Wife material. Wife material. Wife material.
Oh.
What's in that? Hey. Hey, sorry, Stone. Manage. No verse, sorry. No verse.
This one are the 6 stone where I don't chop since I did chop this food. At least 6, 7 stone. You know what's the rice?
I wash this rice well.
So I don't stone come full everywhere.
I take my time wash this rice before I cook them. I don't know how stone take enter. No verse. No verse. Not give you water, make you drink.
I don't want to drink water now. I dey
I beg.
I need food. I want chop.
Okay.
Water and food.
No verse. No verse.
No verse. I must lose this food here.
No verse. I made a cook good food for you. You enjoy. I don't know how the sand take enter. Okay.
No be sand though. Na stone.
Okay.
Stone. You get different sand, stone. This one is stone.
No verse.
Like 6, 7 stone.
Make I quickly go kitchen. Do something sharp.
I don't know.
Ma organize something.
To wash rice. If you want cook rice. Even my daughter know that one. I don't understand this kind of thing.
Calm down now. As I be cook, I don't make
basic
cook for you
something
that
now.
time.
Just to wash rice.
No verse.
Even me self, I dey wash my own rice before I know.
No verse.
I know the verse.
Ma rush tidy something for you. Or if you still manage this one.
I go manage this thing. One might die. Almost lose this here. This thing they pay me now. I don't get money go dentist now. What I go do now? I go manage am for the next years.
No shout now, I beg.
Man, no shout.
My love, no verse. Make I do something, okay?
This your kind of love. You won't use love come up my feet. Can't come carry this nonsense. Ace. Calm down now, babe. Babe. Babe, what's up now? Stop this thing now for night. Calm down. Calm down. Hey. Calm down now, babe. What's up now? Stop this thing now. Hey, stop now. Stop. Calm down now. Stop. What are you doing now? Stop now. Oh, my stop this thing now. What are you doing? Stop. What are you doing now? Stop now. Stop. Hey. Stop it too long, man. What's your own now? Stop now. Stop this thing now. Hey. I don't know. She just get back. Now stop now. Hey, go. Stay out of this. Stay quiet now. Oh, yeah, go. Hey, I go knock you. I go knock you. Hey. Come on. I don't beg you time. Yes. I like to see my time. Are you okay?
Make her go.
Huh?
Make her talk this one now.
Nothing work, man.
For you.
Nothing work. We do it together now.
I'm not trying to stop it again, no. Guess what you do also? No, don't be cause I'm.
May we go my friend house.
I don't go anywhere, Papa.
May we go my friend house now.
Now so you go carry python come this house one day. I don't tell you about these girls.
This one never happened before now. It never happened before now. Calm down now. May we go my friend house.
No, I don't go your friend now. Send.
Come, may we go. You want there?
You won't carry me again.
I go carry you now.
You carry me.
No, I know.
No, they carry me. Make me walk.
You don't trust me now. You don't trust me. No fear. Why you carry your slippers for one now?
She fix that again. Let me see how they
She no go start celebration.
No carry me. Maybe you don't start again.
No, I won't protect you. Release your voice now. What did they do now? I won't protect you now. Feel like she move. Okay, no, she no move. They go.
Papa, they shift. Now, they hold me. Not they hold me. They shift.
Reduce your voice now. God forbid, she don't go die for man. What did you do? What did you do? Okoso! Okoso!
I said she don't die yet.
God forbid. God forbid, she don't fit die for my house.
Some say she don't fit die for your house.
She never died.
No be you carry and come here. No be you. When I dey tell you, you no go listen. See, if anything happen, I go leave you. Run, come out for this house.
You go leave me run. Leave your papa.
I no go leave you run. No be you cause am. When I dey tell you, when I dey warn you, you know the hear. You go dey overlook like.
My friend, stay quiet. Stay quiet.
You go do am now. Maybe she don't die.
She never die. Calm down. Hey! 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 Calm down, no. Hey! 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 I don't run, no. I don't run, no. Now my house, believe.
What happened to me?
Thank you, God. Thank you. My friend, get out of my house. Start going. Be going. Come and be going. They go.
Why am I on the floor?
You ask me question. You ask me question. You the Chris?
What happened to me?
My friend, they go.
Please, what?
Carry your wallet, they go.
What happened to me? Please.
They go. Get
Please,
out.
please.
Get out.
Please.
Hey! Thank God. My friend, leave my compound now. What are you going to do?
What happened to me? Please, I'm sorry.
Nonsense. Wait now. No one wait for me. Mike, they go. Follow her. What's you look for? They go! Hey! Mike, don't come out here and meet you. Mike, don't come out here and meet you.
Forgive me, what did I do?
What did you do?
Please, I'm sorry. Please, forgive me, please. Please, don't leave me now, please. Please.
God forbid.
Please.
They go. Nonsense.
Begging you, please don't leave me, please. Don't leave me. Please, I'm sorry, I'm not doing it.
So, you see this thing I'm giving to you guys? Eh? It was given to me by my grandfather a long time ago. So this is how you are going to use it. You just take a little portion from it, put it in a white piece of paper, then blow it on her face. When you guys do that, the whole thing will start performing its own magic. Yes. Then she will start sneezing for 1 hour, then she will sleep off. Yes, now I'm telling you. Yeah, so you take it. Please just do it the way I said it.
Not for your house now.
Okay.
Come on, I'll make it for you to handle that.
Be careful with it, okay?
Okay. I will sleep. Bye-bye.
Take care. Be very careful with it too.
Now you get sense. Get sense, die. Now this will work, oh. Yeah, now. You don't know me. Die. Trust me. Die. Hi. I'll pattern and say if you see him for our house again, say you go deal with them. You don't go like in life again. Child, you need to see the way this girl dey back. She dey back like dog. She even back past dog. Yeah, just feel like say me I don't know where to sound. Who let it out? Who? Who let it out? Who? Like this is a dog.
Oko so dansu ese, Papa no go marry oh. This girl able in Nagano. Uncle so don't sue I say. Papa no go marry oh. This girl able in Nagano. Kwambosin ke mere joyi. Okoso. Kwambosin ke mere joyi. Okoso.
Ulama! Come back here. Is it me you're trying to hide from? How market now? Hey! It has happened. You went, you saw, and you conquered, Abi, in this manner. Bad news flies faster. Ne, I heard what happened. Hey! Woo! This is what happens to people that backstabs their friends. Where are you going to? You're not going to listen to me. You thought you were going to marry my Unoka? Oh, talking now. Shame on you. Unoka will not marry you. You went, you saw, and they conquered you. Shame. Come back now, you're running away. Idiots. You want to come and snatch my own Unoka? Unoka and Kenanim. What bitch girl. Hey. Now let the owner go and take a position. You want to go? Hey! Nagazikota. Ewo. I don't care. I don't care.
How are you?
I want to see Unoka. I don't have strength now. You can see I have injury. I want to see your father, Unoka.
Uju, this your injury never goes since then.
How is he going to go now? How is he going to go? You abandoned me since that time. You didn't even ask how I've been faring, how I've been doing. And this leg, I've been stressed. I've been stressing the leg. Only me will go and fetch water with this same leg. I'll go to market with this same leg. So the stress is making the injury to last this long now. That's why it will not go.
I'm so sorry. Yeah, I'm so sorry. I don't mean to cause you this kind of wahala. Sorry.
Thank you.
This one you carry back. Be like say you won't travel.
Travel again? No. I've traveled my travel. This is where I've traveled to travel. Here, in this house. Because I need you to take care of me very well so this injury will go.
Wait. I never even understand what you talk. What you just talk now? No, what you talk now.
Yeah,
see, there's no say, don't even say anything. Hey, there's nothing like but here. You hit me your bicycle since and you abandoned me since. And you know I'm an orphan. I'm an orphan, I don't have anyone to take care of me. So I have to come here so you can take care of me.
Wait. This place resembles your hospital where they treat sick people. You don't know where hospital dey. My friend carry this thing go hospital make they treat your leg.
I'm an orphan. Nobody will take care of me. Only me. I'm not going anywhere. I want to stay here so this injury will go. Oh my hand.
Hey, I never even understand this thing. This story never clear. It never clear. You never tell me what they do here. What they do for this place?
Well, no, your back get injury now.
If you tap it now, it will be affecting my leg and calming it down. Hey.
Stop crying.
Papa, this girl no go stay here. She no go stay here. Don't talk am. You don't start again.
This one is not talk. You don't talk am. I don't start again. And I hit that with my bicycle now. If you go no now, I go. They go punish me. You won't make the punish me.
Which one say they go punish?
They go punish me now. Reason
so
now.
This place now hospital now. You don't know where hospital dey. Carry her go hospital now.
Okay, so relax. Highest, like, she no go too take for the sign now. Don't sharp something.
I don't talk my own, no. I don't talk my own. Don't talk say I don't talk anything.
Why your blood to the heart like this? Highest 1 week. 1 week. Relax. The hospitable. Welcome and well. You understand?
I know say you get plan, but you no go work.
Onyeka. Good morning.
Hello, Mama.
How are you? I'm fine. Is your sister Choma in the house?
Yes, she's inside.
Okay.
But she'll be leaving with her husband to Lagos very soon. In fact, now.
Husband?
Yes.
How come Choma got married without even telling me?
It's not as if they are married though, it's just introduction. Ominala.
Introduction? She would have still told me now.
No, they'll come out very soon. Here they come.
Hello. You're here? Oh my. Welcome, my love. Oh my darling. I'm sorry that I didn't tell you I was getting married. You know, my husband. Communication. He just bashed a huge contract. Oilo, a company. Serious money, billions.
Very true. My son-in-law.
Yes.
Mama, how are you?
Mama, I haven't heard what happened at Unoka's place. Nnem, did you survive it? Hey, I'm sorry. Oh, my Lord. Uno, are you okay?
No, she's not. She'll
Why
be
is she
fine.
running?
Let's go.
I
She'll
don't
be
know.
fine.
I don't do single girls. I'm married now.
Married.
Mama.
Please let me open it for you.
Okay.
I'm gonna miss you.
Yeah.
My in-law.
Mama, you will not embrace me.
Mama, come and come with you.
I'm married now. Please, respect me, Mama.
Take it easy.
Mama, I am married now, right? You are. And you're happy about
Nobody shine go well. Nobody shine. Hey, first class. Come and learn now.
That this food will go with cold juice.
Cold juice?
Yes, I need cold juice so it will digest very well. Very cold one.
Water, cold water, no.
No, I don't need water, Uloma. I need cold juice.
Okay.
If I take water,
Okay. No wahala.
Very cold one.
I have to go far and buy it, sir. No wahala.
Thank you, Ulom, hurry up, yeah?
Okay, I'm coming.
Very cold one, no. From the freezer.
No wahala.
Remember, it's juice I want. Thank you. Hey, Uju, you have gotten yourself a husband. This my plan is working. My
What did she?
I just see him. You see him leg. See her leg. This person be like a person with something to do her leg.
The more this is not plan deal.
I hate am well. My pa no guessing. See how she dey touch am, dey hit am.
You got to go. Hey, I no go kwamdi. I am now a married woman. Housewife. See the way he's serving me now. Huh? Hey. Oh, it's funny.
Now even because they want my papa, now he make they do all this kind of thing what they do. My papa no even get some, me no say that this thing be their plan.
Papa dey come back.
Good time.
I'm rushing.
Oh, now you took so much time now. Just to get me juice, cold one.
I mean, the run.
It's my leg. It needs to heal. If you take time, the day too will take time.
That shop where they normally sell, they close, so just go.
Oh, I said I wanted juice now. You're bringing Fanta.
Juice not there now. This one is juice, brother. They know juice not there. So
I don't know if this Fanta will make my leg not to pain me again. It's not even cold.
it's cold now. No people say I just give you now. It's cold now. My hand's still cold, sir.
I will manage it like that.
No,
Come and sit down.
I get something where I want. No wahala.
If you're close to me, the leg will not pain me. Cross your hand like this. Cross it like this. Cross it very well now. You see, the leg is not paining me again. Uyom. Thank you. Look at me now, I'm talking to you. You know, if you're holding me like this, I don't used to feel pain here in my leg. Even the food said, the doctor told me that, the doctor that treated my leg, he said that I shouldn't be eating hot food, that I should allow my food to get cold before I eat it. If I eat it as it's hot, it will be hurting my leg.
So that's why I come on since you never chop.
No, that's what I'm telling you. Yes.
Okay.
We're going to drink this together, Abby. You're looking at me now.
I don't want to get diabetes. It's just, I've been the drink plenty before.
So me, I will have diabetes. Is that what you're saying?
No.
Hold me very well now. You say you're hanging your hand like this. Hang your hand very well. Oh no, my leg is paining me. I need massage. Yes. No, I cannot wait.
Would you say it's true you are here? Would you? So you are living with a man true.
Who are you?
Hey! Would you?
Who are you?
You left our son and I at the village to come and see your auntie. And here you are living with a man.
See problem. Which son and I? This. Who are you now?
Junior now?
Is it not your picking?
Who is this boy? I don't know you. Go for me bad thing. I don't know these people. Oh. What's going on here now? Me, your wife. Are you dreaming? Go for big bad thing. I don't know this man. No. Who is this boy? I don't know any of them.
You don't know me, Uju? Okay, let me tell you. Uju
left us
since 6 months ago to go and steal at the village. I am my son Junior here.
Me?
And you are here living with the man. And
me?
you have been telling me that she's living with the man. I said, let me come and see by myself.
It's not true now. This is not true. This is blackmail. This is blackmail. It's not. I don't know them.
You don't know me, Uju?
Look at my skin. I'm fair. Look at this boy. This boy is black. I don't know them.
Now, why would my son be black? Am I not black?
I will tell you this. I don't know any of you. I don't know any of you. Go for me parties. I don't know them.
Okay. So she's not telling you that she's married.
No, no, see me. I no even bring am here as wife. No, say I hit her with my bicycle for leg. So she break leg.
Bicycle? Which bicycle? This small bicycle hit her and she break leg.
Yes.
Leave me alone. No wound. See, no wound. This guy is a very
person will tell a jam.
Big lie. We very big lie.
That tell a jam man.
Ulam, the one is internal. Is internal.
Uju, we are very big lie. You follow me to my house today.
I don't even know this guy.
You don't know me.
I don't know these people. If I never be crazy. I don't know. I don't know this man. Hold on. Okay, let me tell you, if I see my wife in your house again, I'm not here. No, I will deal with you. What do worry you? I know bring him as wife. Which way you don't bring him as wife? Go on, don't worry. Go on, don't worry. I can make you done. Go on, don't worry. Where are you? Let's go.
Which kind of wahala be this, huh?
Chai.
Come they shout for my house.
Chai.
They call my this thing small. Which kind of nonsense?
I know talk am.
Listen.
I know talk am.
I know say she marry. I do anything with her here.
I don't say anything though. Ha. I talk am before. Ha. I don't go say anything. Chai. You don't marry person wife put for your house.
Marry? How did I marry?
Person wife you carry and put for your house.
When did I do wedding?
Chai. Person wife you carry and put for house.
Why they lock door?
Chai.
How am I? No, they don't talk this kind of thing. I don't like this kind of way they talk.
Now what you want make her they talk. To be see am. I tell you say these girls they get plan but you know what here. You don't see am for your eyes. One day like this you will carry another person wife for you and until you will arrest you. See am for this. They marry person wife.
I tell you now, I will deliver. My name will be Francis. The other thing where they ask for my name, Francis the Deliverance. I deliver people.
I trust you, Dad. I trust you. I believe you. See, the thing will work sharp.
Me?
Ha.
You see, Pastor, they do their own by player. Me, I'm doing my own by kukuma.
I know. See
Jeez, my God.
the balance be this one.
I beg, I'm not going to see this small one and give me small.
I know now. That's
Okay.
just the manager.
Baby, go for you.
No mind that. No, I'll go just the Adam small. Go see her.
Go see later.
Hi.
I want Onoka all to myself. Please, I want him at all costs. Please, I need you to do a good job for me. I don't want stories.
Wait, I don't understand. Which Onoka are we talking about? He's a married man now.
I don't understand. And so? He's a married man and so? Should I kill myself? I don't want stories. Help me and deliver this job well. Do you understand?
No problem.
Take. This is your half payment. Please, do the job well. I will give you your balance when the job is done. I don't want stories.
No problem.
I don't want stories.
No problem.
This one you are preaching to me, he's married and so?
With
just
money,
do a
anything
good
is
job
possible.
for me,
No
please.
problem.
Do you understand?
No problem.
No mistake.
Jesus! Baby! You! Go! Hey! 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 Don't touch my wife, baby! Huh? My wife, don't touch her! If I see you here again, you will regret your life.
Please,
What do you get out?
Let me explain. I did
Explain
not
what?
do anything.
Only explain. What will you do? Only explain. My friend, get out of my house. If I see you here again, you will live to tell the story. Yes.
Please.
Get out.
Because I did not
I
do
swear to
it.
God, if I come out here and see you again, you will regret your life. What are you doing? What are you doing? Eh? Hey, get out.
No, I did not do it. I did not.
Come here. Come here.
No, please.
Leave her.
Please.
Get out.
Please.
My conscience wouldn't let me be at peace. Please have mercy on me. I want to get married. But I had to come and ask for forgiveness first. Biko, forgive me. Please. Forgive me. Please. Beg her. Please. Please.
So you were the demon behind everything. It was you. You made my husband chase me out of my home.
Please.
You made me an object of mockery before the entire villagers.
Please.
What did I do to you?
Please. Nothing.
What did I do to deserve such ill treatment from you? Why?
Please.
Why destroy a once happy home because of money? What happened? No, tell me, what did I do?
Auntie, please.
Have I ever offended you? No. Knowingly or unknowingly?
Have I ever insulted you? Have I ever done anything wrong for you? Have I?
Stop it.
Have I? Now tell me! Stop! I want you to stop! Stop with me! Stop! Please! Stop me! Stop me! Stop me! Ah!
Already? Can you just go? I hate you!
Forgive me!
I hate you! No.
Please, you have to forgive me. See, I swear with my life, I did not do anything to your wife. I did not lay a finger on your wife. I only placed her on my body so that when you come, you will think I slept with her. But I did not touch her. I swear. Forgive me.
So if I marry another wife, now this rubbish will tell me. Eh? Man, no verse. You carry my wife, put on top of you, eh? Man, no verse. Eh? Hey, you the case? You get brain? Eh? Something worry for you, Abi.
We just sorry, what sorry you did? Eh? If not be me, my papa don't marry, you deserve better beating. Correct beating, no.
Okay, you said stand up and go.
Get out of my house!
Go now!
Get out! Get out of my house! Idiot!
My papa don't marry, and I know saying that wish for marriage.
So sorry. Okay, I'm sorry. I mean cause him everything will don't happen. I mean cause him. I'm so sorry. Please forgive me. I beg.
It's not your fault. I would have done the same thing if I was in your shoes. So I forgive you.
Thank you so much. All thanks to our daughter. If not before, because if I don't marry her, now she stop me. Meaning God's hands there for this thing.
And now that wish for marriage.
Come here, my baby.
Okoso don't sue and say, her papa no go marry you. This girl able in Nagano. Okoso don't sue and say, her papa no go marry you. This girl able in Nagano. Kwambosin ke mere joyi. Okoso. Kwambosin ke mere joyi. Okoso. Kwambosin ke mere joyi. Okoso. Kwambosin ke mere joyi. Okoso.